What's up, guys? It is Zombie Take Out video. Haven't made one in a while, but I'll probably make one soon. Thanks for like the 200 something video or views on that Skate 3 modded clothes video. So I'm obviously gonna bring more Skate 3 to you guys. Got a brand new TV, as you can see. It's like 30 something inches. You know, it's just for me, so I'm happy about that. But my friend Storm on Xbox, or Toxic Waste now, is having trouble with his TV. It's like 50 something inches, and he can't hear the sound coming out of the TV. So, but he has a Turtle Beach, so you should be able to hear it through the headset. But like, you know, if you're playing like a racing game, you know, you'll like to hear it through your TV. Yeah, I couldn't think of what to say. But so what you want to do is, I just see mine. It's like that. So green into green. Blue to blue. Now mine, it's a Toshiba, so it's Color Stream HD video. And so you want to put it this one. Ooh, something just fell. But you want to put it into that one. And now yellow, since there's no yellow input, I ain't gonna use it. Just put that down. But he's probably having trouble with this. There's probably multiple inputs for the red and yellow, or red and white. So I tried the top one first, didn't work, so I just plugged in this, and whoops, TV's very light, so it's like it gets pushed real easy. But yeah, and then it's basically set up like that, and it should look sort of like that if you had the same TV. But Storm, that's basically how I do it. Just try the other red and white inputs, and it should work fine. Peace.